Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to week 2. So we haven't done a lot of trading in week 2. I've been working a late shift at work, so I've been trading London session. I must say London session have got a lot of clean setups. They're either taking Asian high or low out and then creating displacement to the opposite side, and we'll get a fair value gap trade here and there, but or inversion fair value gap trade here and there, and then targeting the opposing liquidity side. So it's been a very insightful week, to be honest with you. Just watching price action for most of the time, but taking a trade yesterday, Thursday the 25th. So let's go over that. We took 4 trades. No, 1 2 3. Yeah, we took 4 trades, 3 in the afternoon, New York PM session, that was after work, and I took 1 London session setup. So the first, obviously I had to put this one here, so I had to put the negative $450 first, so that I can get this little icon, so that I just know it's a losing day. The first trade was a winner. The second trade, which was the first PM session trade, was also a winner. It was chopping around, so I didn't like that, so I just exited close to my entry point, and then I entered once again because like, nah, this is going down. So I entered once again. I lost $450, probably initially what I made in the morning session, but this is not an accurate representation of how much I actually made, because it was a hectic Thursday morning. So I was trading. I've completely forgot to record, and I was busy with other things around the house. So the fourth trade that we took, and that was also just a negative winner, I entered once again in the same trade, same setup, and choppiness, and then after that it just went for my stop loss basically, and went to just take out a opposing buy side liquidity area, took out buy side, trade into a fair value gap, and then just dropped down later on eventually. So you guys can pause if you want to read through my notes. Here's the first trade. We took out Tokyo high. There was no fair value gap setup, but there was an inversion fair value gap setup. This yellow box over here. Took the trade right over here, aimed for actually Tokyo low, the low of the session, but never got there. I saw it just took out the internal sell side liquidity under midnight open over here by this little X. So after I saw this little rejection here, I just thought no, let me just get out. It could be a reversal, and I got out, I think, around about above here, above midnight price somewhere, and that was the first trade. Was pretty good, happy with that trade. I was up on the account about 500 and I think 50,000 and 200 something dollars, around about there. And then the second and the third and the fourth trade, as I said to you, was just a massive mess up. I did not follow my rules, so if you guys look here, 17,589, okay, look at that sell side liquidity area there. This is it. That sell side liquidity area is right over here, 17,589. That's the sell side liquidity area I was targeting over here during the London session. So we take out that sell side liquidity session during the PM session. So as you can see, around about here 2 o'clock. Now normally my strategy would tell me to buy, look for buy signal to go up. So we could have easily taken this buy side liquidity area right here, but instead I was looking for a sell. I thought we were going to go lower towards the sell side liquidity right over here and create new lows and a lower low for the day, and we were coming up on the last hour of the day, so 3 to 4 around about there. So I was looking for a sell, this fair value gap with coupled with this order block. As I said to you, I did not follow my strategy. I was gutted. Only afterwards I saw the actual move that the market wanted to make, and that's totally my fault. So I could have easily taken this buy signal right here. So we take out sell side liquidity, we get a market structure shift right over here with this candle displacement plus a fair value gap is created, and we see price dropping into that fair value gap right there, and we could have just held to this nearest buy side liquidity here, and then we could have easily, you know, taken this fair value gap sell here into this order block, which would have been another beautiful trade, and we could have just held it there for another 160 ticks, which it was 160 plus ticks. So yeah, I re-entered 3 times about in this trade. First one, as I said to you, $25 win because I entered somewhere around here. Second one, I exited. It was about to hit my stop, but then it reversed, but I exited because I was scared. And then the third one, I just entered and I was like, nah, it's not going to hit my stop this time. It's going lower. And as you can see, came straight all the way up here, hit my stop loss, and I was heavily down on the day. So I'll show you guys here. So yeah, I lost about $416. I was up about 400 and something, and then I took 2 losses back to back. Yeah, and it brought me down, and then I had equity. I had about, I think, $240 something left on the account, and yeah, it was just really bad trades at the end of the day. I'm gonna show you guys now quickly my trade that I took today on the 26th of the 1st. I took a trade this morning, a London session setup. I blew actually my top step account. I hit the max drawdown limit today. So let's take you through that trade. I'm just going to show you here. So right over there, as you can see, let me bring up this dashboard. So as you can see right over here, 49,438, and then yeah, so as you can see, the maximum loss limit is 49,200. okay, so it's about $238 that I have left on the account. So I completely blew that out the water by $6. There it is right there, $244. If it actually, I never knew that I had that much left to work with. I just placed this trade without realizing that I had $240 left of P&L in my account. So I just placed the trade without any knowledge of that. That's totally my fault, and the trade played in our favor, my guys and girls. The trade played in our favor. So we're on a 15-minute chart. We see our Tokyo low getting taken out right over here. 3 o'clock is normally 3 o'clock New York session AM is normally the time we be trading, and this was, I think, around about 9 o'clock SA time. We get a nice setup. We were just targeting the internal buy side liquidity over here. So if I go down to a 5, and then we can also see how we have like relative equal highs. I'll show you now on the 5-minute chart, and we also have a new day opening gap, as you can see over here. So yeah, if I put it right here, it's relative equal highs, these over here. So then I just thought, let's just target the ultimate high, and then as you can see, we do reach there. Yeah, is the trade set up right here. So inversion fair value gap right there, we drop down, take out sell liquidity, inversion fair value gap, and price closes above it. So it gave me indication that this area is holding up nicely. Took an entry right over there, as you can see by the little arrow, as you can see, and then we actually got stopped out right over there. Stop loss was actually here because I normally target 40 pip. TP is always 40 pips, and then stop loss is always 20 pips. Nowhere near our stop loss, probably about maybe 10%, I'd say. Yeah, trade would have worked perfectly out in our favor. It didn't even reach the stop loss, as I said. Worked out perfectly. Take out this buy side liquidity over here. Good trade, honestly, and as you can see, we worked our way up to the new day opening gap. But yeah, it's just unfortunate I didn't realize that about my P&L, but that's all good. So I lost the top step account. Next week I might be starting a new top step account, and I'm gonna approach it differently. This was a good engagement for me with this top step account. Showed me that I can actually do it. I brought the account out of drawdown, heavy drawdown, and that felt honestly good. And so guys, we will be taking on a new challenge on the YouTube channel. I know I said previously I only want to be trading on TradingView, but I have a change of heart. What I want to do is try out this new funded account company, Vault Funder. It's South African based. I've seen quite like almost like Top Step live streams that they've been doing, like the live YouTube day traders. I forgot the guy's name, but it's two guys. They're from South Africa, and they've been talking about this company for quite a while, so I want to give them a go. They're basically just like any other prop firm, 80-20 split, and then it's a two-step evaluation. But the key difference is, the reason why I want to give them a go is because you can get funded accounts in ZAR. So basically in the rand currency, in my South African rand currency. So you actually get the USD. You get two types of accounts. You get the USD account and you get a ZAR account. So I want to be taking on the ZAR account. So as you can see, you get 60k up to 2 million rand. I'm going to be taking on the 140k account challenge. It's only 1,000 rand. Let's just round it off to 1,000 rand, and then so it's no big difference, only 100 rand difference between the 60 and the 140k account. As you can see, a 920 rand, and then this one is 1,020 rand. So profit target, as I said to you, 10% for step 1, and then obviously if you go to step 2, it's going to be 5%. So you do get the option of increasing your leverage to 1 to 200, but that's going to cost you a little bit extra. And then I also saw that you do have the opportunity to make it a 90-10 profit split, but that all costs extra. I think it's like $10 extra, and the final total will be like about $60. So yeah, I want to give this a shot. I want to give this company a go, see what they're about. Hopefully the trading conditions are good, the spreads, I hope they're also as well good. I'll just be trading Nasdaq 100, and let's see if we can run an account up. The main thing is I want to focus on myself. I want to focus on passing. I want to prove it to myself that I can pass a funded account. And yeah, this is just gonna add. So I'm going to be trading two funded accounts. I'm going to be trading the Top Step account, and I'm going to be trading the Vault Funder account. So I'm going to be trading this one on the MT5 platform, the platform that I said I didn't like because you can't do analysis and place trades on them. But yeah, MT5 is a bit outdated, but I'm just be doing my analysis on TradingView and then just placing the trades on MT5. Yeah, so hopefully we run it up. So if you guys want to see the price difference, I'll show you now. Just hold on. So right over here, okay, 60. So there's 60, 140, 550k, and then we've got the 1 million, and then we've got the 2 million. So yeah, they also have an option of scaling up, as I've seen somewhere. But yeah, you can just go have a look at their website if you are interested. So yeah, just keep up with the journey, and yeah, let's hop on to the new week. Hope you guys have a blessed new week. See you next week with another breakdown, and yeah, enjoy the rest of your week. Peace and love, guys. Enjoy.